the Mofo Jordan 3 Black Cement. The Jordan 3 released in 1988. The Jordan that sealed Michael Jordan to Nike forever. The Jordan designed, created by the infamous one and only Tinker Hatfield. The Black Cement, one of the 4 original colorways released in the Jordan 3 silhouette, has only been released 6 times, including this time, since 1988. The last release, 2018. The Jordan 3 Mofo Black Cement. Let's get into this. Yes, people, welcome back. We're here, man. We are talking about the Jordan 3 Black Cement, released on the 21st of November, in my hands as an early access from Sneaker app. Don't know, end of the year. Happy things. I'm here to help you decide whether or not this is a kick to have in your collection. This is a kick you must cop. So if you don't know already, my name's Patrick T. I do videos on all kind of kicks and trainers and sneaker related stuff, including clothes sometimes and events. But basically I'm here to help you decide whether or not to cop or drop. So if you haven't already and you want to know what's going on, click subscribe, click the like button and click notification bell so you know exactly when I'm uploading new videos. Once that's done, let's just get into this. The Jordan 3 Black Cement. Here we go. Here we go. Just the normal black box with the fire red Jumpman on the top. Little Nike Air branding on the side. We got the little details, which I might as well read them to you. It says Air Jordan 3 Retro Black / fire red cement grey. We know what we're talking about. We got a little elephant print around the bottom of the box. Even this box looks a little sleeker, but I'm going to get into the controversy in these kicks in a minute. We have some grey leopard print. Some grey leopard print tissue paper inside. There's nothing really much more you get in the box. You get a little Nike tag. This has got to be one of the flimsiest ones I've seen for a long time. But hey, you get a tag. You wear it. Some people wear it, some people don't. You used to get a little silver chain with these, but now I don't think they're there for you to wear them with the kicks no more. Because it's just that plastic pulley thing that's going to come off. But hey, let's do what we normally do in the channel. Let's get straight into this and we start with the sole of the kicks. So we have the traditional Jordan 3 sole. We have that fire red on the ball of your feet, surrounded by grey. When you go into the instep of your foot, you've got white, and you've got the Nike fire red branding, bam slap in the middle. If we move over to the midsole travels all the way around the shoe in white, apart from the heel where it segments off. And as you can see, it's in black going around the heel. You then have on the heel, you have the Nike Air branding on the heel with the plastic pull tab or heel pull, whatever you call it, just there. The upper of the shoe is a smooth black leather with overlays of the elephant print in a lighter elephant print and less defined than the 2018s. Now, this has caused some controversy, but again, we're going to get into this in a minute. The upper is a smooth leather, not the tumbled leather what you got on the 2018s or some other retro Jordan 3 releases. The tongue itself is a grey, cement grey with perforated holes going through. And at the top, you've got that classic Jumpman in fire red. Now, these were the first kicks that ever had the Jumpman as a logo on their shoes. And it was smack bang in the middle. so everyone would know that these were Jordans. You have some grey leather around where the shoelaces are, and you have little hints of red just on the lower lace holes, as you can see there. The tongue itself has the red leather felt cushioning inside, but inside the shoe is a grey felt lining, and the inner sole itself is red with the Nike logo in black inside. Now, there's three things what make this shoe controversial compared to the 2018 release. Nike say that they've tried to bring the shoe back to the original design by Tinker Hatfield, and I've got to be honest with you, I'm here for it. Now, I can see three things which are different from the 2018 release, and these are as follows. The elephant print is much lighter, less defined than the 2018, but I'm here for that. I think it looks quite neat. The design of the shoe, like the toe box, is more slicker, less, how can you put it, less depth than the 2018, which makes the shoe look, like I said, more slicker, more demure, in my opinion. And then we have the tongue itself, which is more slicker. On the 2018 designs, if you held the shoe like this, you'd be able to see the red felt over the tongue here. This one, you can't see it at all. It's tucked behind, therefore just giving you the sleekness of the tongue if you're ever going to see the tongue, because you might be wearing trousers or anything like that. It just makes the shoe itself look more slick, more pleasing to the eye, if you ask me. Now, I've got to be honest with you, I don't mind the other design. I don't mind the way they looked. I don't mind this one. But we got to be honest, we don't wear these boots to go and play basketball. These are going to be something we wear on the street. So they've got to go with what you're wearing. It's a Jordan 3. So that slickness, that smoothness of the tongue, that aerodynamic of the shoe now, I think just plays into how design or how fashion is now. So it's not a bad thing at all, if you ask me. Another thing, why would you want to kick what was released in 2018 to be exactly the same as the retro release now? You would want a slight difference. We always criticize Nike for not innovating, not bringing new stuff to the table, just bringing back old retro colors and making money off of us. But they've done something different here. They bubblegum remixed the 2018. They've said, all right, let's bring it back to the original. Let's do something different. Let's make our next release different from the last release. So I'm here for that. Why do I want my trainers to look like? I don't want to get confused with it. 2024, 2018. Slightly different, but different. So now let's talk about the fit. These are true to size. Whatever size you get your Jordans in, buy them in that size. There's no need to go up or down. They fit comfortably. The cushioning is great. It's not too over padded. It's not too under padded. You don't have to break these in. They feel really nice straight away. And they're kind of light for a Jordan. You know, they're not as heavy as like a Jordan 4. So you're not going to have difficulty wearing these for a good 8 hours a day if you had to wear them for 8 hours a day. The colorway just means that you don't have to worry what colors you're wearing. This is just going to go. In terms of pricing, this was released at $189.99. Just call it £190. Honestly, that's the price of Jordans now. We can't get away from it. That's the price of Jordans now. It is high, but everything's high now. We all know this. Life is living, man. It's hard out here. Whether or not this is a cop or drop, this is a cop. If you haven't listened to this video all the way through, this is a cop. This is a classic Jordan silhouette taken back to the original design by Tinker Hatfield. It's one of the original 4 colours of the Jordan 3s what was released when Michael Jordan laced them up in the NBA All-Star game and became the MVP player. He was wearing Jordan 3s. Do you understand? This is a cop. If you can't see it, I can't really help you. I tried. I can't really help you. So to round things up, this new retro re-release of the classic Jordan 3 Black Cement is nice. It's really nice. It's smooth. I like the aerodynamic design of it. I like the slickness of it. I like the fact this is more of a stylish shoe than a traditional sports shoe, you know, but it hasn't lost its Jordan-esque. You've still got the air bubble in the midsole there. You've still got the classic colorway. You've still got the Jumpman on the tongue. You still get your little Nike Air tick. You've got Nike Air logo on the back. This is nice. So if you made it this far, I just want to thank you all for locking in. Like I said before, if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit notification bell so you know when I'm uploading new videos. I've got a few new kicks what have landed, which I'm getting the videos done. So they'll probably come in the square somewhere along the line, or they're not out yet. So go and watch some other videos I've done, which will come in the square around here now. But I'm out. Patrick T. Peace.